up? Welcome back. So today's video is going to be my first ever PR unboxing. So I am starting to get a little bit more PR packages. I am a micro influencer, so it's not that I'm like overwhelmed with packages, but lately I have been getting some PR packages that I was super excited to share with you guys. So I already opened these, I showed them on my Instagram, but I thought I would also do a little haul on YouTube so that you guys can see everything that I got and what to expect in future videos. So yeah, if you like hauls, if you like makeup, definitely give this video a thumbs up. And let's just get started and get on into this haul. Alright, so the first package I got is by Sigma Beauty. I am now a Sigma affiliate, which is super exciting. Since I've been an affiliate, I haven't really gotten the time to make a video about their products yet, but I am so excited to feature these videos in a like tutorial or something like that, maybe a first impressions video. You guys can let me know in the comments down below what way you would like me to use these products. But they were kind enough to send me an entire box of their makeup and also brushes, which I am so excited about. I have used their brushes in the past and I've always been very pleased by them and I love the quality, so I'm so excited I have more brushes now. So they sent over the E38 Diffused Crease brush, which I'll open up and show you guys. So this is what that looks like. This looks like the perfect blending brush to apply eyeshadow in my crease, so I cannot wait to use this brush. I haven't touched these Sigma products, so yeah, I'm so excited to try them out in a video. Then they also sent me the E59 white shader brush, which looks like this. I don't know how to use this brush yet, but I will find a way to use it. Then they also sent over the E06 winged liner, which looks absolutely perfect to apply a winged liner because it looks super precise and tiny. So I hope this will make it easier to do a winged liner. Next, they sent over the F06 powder sweep, which this brush looks amazing to either contour with or apply maybe highlight. I don't know. I still have to figure it out how to use it, but it is seriously the softest brush ever, so yeah. And then the last brush is the F80 flat Kabuki. I have the F80 already. I've used it for years. I think it was Jaclyn Hill who used to rave about this, and of course I picked it up because I was obsessed with her. So yeah, they also sent over the F80, which is one of their classics. It is the perfect foundation brush. Then they also sent over their solid makeup brush cleanser, which looks like this. I will leave it in the packaging, but it is basically a brush cleanser that you can attach to your sink, and it already has the brush cleaning solution in it. So yeah, let me know if you guys want like a mini Instagram video on this or something like that, because I can definitely do that. And I also got the Sigma Gel Eyeliner in the shade Wicked. Again, I already heard a lot of people rave about this. So this is basically a gel eyeliner and it is black. So yeah, I haven't used it yet, but I'm so excited to try it out. Especially combined with this brush, I think that will be a great combo. Then they also sent me their eyeshadow base primer in Persuade, which looks like a beautiful cream eyeshadow. So this is what it looks like, and I will give it a little swatch. So it looks like a beautiful cool toned eyeshadow primer, but again, haven't used this yet. I might save all of these products for like a first impressions Sigma video, or just do a fall tutorial and include the products in there. So let me know what you guys prefer. Next I have the Aura powder in the shade Nymphaea. I love the packaging of this. It is super sleek and compact. And then this is the blush right here. And then lastly, they also sent over their Warm Neutrals Volume 2 eyeshadow palette, which this looks freaking amazing. Look at that. It comes with a big mirror, and then it has all of these beautiful shades in here, which look perfect to create a fall look with. So again, might do that, especially this green shade right here would be perfect for a fall look. So that was everything that Sigma sent over. Next, I also received a PR kit by a PR company that sent over some Caudalie stuff. So the first thing they sent over is the Caudalie Vinopure Clear Skin Purifying Toner. So this is like an entire set. So this is the first step, the toner. And then they also sent over the Vinopure Blemish Control Infusion Serum. And then the last step, which is the Vinopure Skin Perfecting Mattifying Fluid. So I am super excited to try out these products. I am going to start using them tomorrow, I think. And I mean, for skincare you do need like at least a month to try it out before I can give you guys my opinions on them. But I think I might write a blog post on these products in like a month when I know if they work or not. But yeah, they're definitely geared more towards combination to oily skin, which I definitely have. So yeah. Then one of my favorite drugstore brands, which is Essence, also sent me a PR package, which this means so much to me because Essence was actually one of the first brands that I reviewed on my blog. I started with a blog before doing YouTube. I still have my blog and I still review Essence, but they were the first brand that I reviewed on my blog. Over the past couple of years, I've always bought their products to review them on my blog and YouTube. So yeah, I have spent a lot of time on this brand, so I'm so excited that they finally sent over a PR kit. So these are new products that they released for their fall and winter assortment update. I also placed an order at my local drugstore for more products that I wanted to try out, and I actually just filmed that first impressions video, so I already used a few of these products. But yeah, I'll show you guys what they sent over. So this is only the PR package, not the products that I bought myself. So they sent over the I Need a Miracle mascara, also the Camouflage Plus matte concealer in the shade Light Ivory. Then they also released the Color Boost liquid lipsticks, but now in a matte version. I am wearing this shade right now, which is called I Love You, Me Neither. So yeah, super excited about these. And then they also released new Melted Chrome liquid lipsticks, and again they sent over 3 shades. 2 new eyeshadow palettes, the Make Your Own Magic and the Be an Original. The Born Awesome Face and Eye palette, which looks like this on the inside. These are beautiful shades, and I already swatched them and used one shade in today's video. But yeah, these are beautiful shades. This palette is stunning. And then lastly, they sent over 2 Melted Chrome eyeshadows. So these are basically like cream eyeshadows, I would say, but they're stunning. They're freaking stunning. They look so beautiful swatched. I haven't actually applied them on my eyes yet, but they look amazing swatched. So I will swatch this shade right here, which is called Steal the Show. No, Steal the Look, I'm sorry. So this is what that shade looks like. I mean, look at that. That looks absolutely beautiful. I cannot wait to try this on my actual eyes and see if it will be like transfer proof and like budge proof. But that shade looks absolutely stunning in my opinion. And then last but not least, Max & More, which is a brand available at Action, also sent me a huge PR kit. I think this is almost their entire collection. And I also already filmed a first impressions video on these products, and that video will be coming up very soon as well. But yeah, this is what the PR package looks like. So yeah, let's go over these products really quickly as well. So they basically rebranded and redid a lot of their products and added new products, which is why they sent over the PR kit. So they came out with the nail polish set with a matte finish, which looks like this. Price wise, everything is between 50 cents and €2 tops, I would say. Then they also released the shiny finish nail polish set, and this is in the shade Purple Revolution. This was in the shade Pastel Perfection. And then they also released the Shiny Finish Red Affairs nail polish kit. They also sent over 2 blushes. This is in the shade Pink Sand and Rose Plum. I won't be swatching all of these products because that would take me a long time. But again, if you want more videos on these products or a video on anything specific, definitely let me know in the comments down below. They also came out with brow pencils, so they sent over brown and blonde. I tried out blonde and I actually really liked it. So these are super cheap and they actually work. They also have a new mascara. This is the Lash Extensions Ultra Curl and Length Mascara. Honestly, this mascara sucked. I didn't like it. I wouldn't recommend picking that up. They also sent over the Kohl pencil in black, which I did really enjoy. So that is definitely a great product. They also released little eyeshadow quattros. I don't know how to pronounce it, but this is Galactic Sense and then Smoky Story. Then they also came out with compact powders that have a matte finish. They sent over 2 shades, Soft Cashew and then also Desert Beige. These are a little bit dark in my opinion. They need to come out with a lighter shade, but I didn't really like these powders. Not for underneath the eyes, but for the rest of the face, those are really good. Then they also sent over the concealer palette, which if you have blemishes on your skin, this is really nice. And they also released a bunch of lipstick duos. They sent over 6 of them, so they each come with 2 shades. When it comes to my personal favorite shades, I prefer the Creme Brulee and Truffle duo, and then also the Naked Nude and Toasted Taupe duo. Those are my personal favorites, but they are definitely all good. You do have to build them up a little bit, but aside from that, these are pretty good. They also released chubby lip balms. Again, these are like duo packs, and yeah, I really like these. They're very nourishing and they have quite some pigment to them actually. Then they also released gel nail polishes, so this is Work It. Then they also sent over the shade Alti Control, and then lastly I have the shade Cherish. Going along with that, they also released a top coat, which is always nice. And then lastly, they sent over 3 highlighting sticks. So I have the shade Hot Sand, Rose Glow, and Gold Flash. Again, I really love these. Definitely check these out if you love highlighters, because these are really intense. And that actually wraps up this PR haul. Let me know in the comments down below if you want to see more PR hauls, if you like these or not, because I can definitely film more of them if I get more PR. But if you don't like PR hauls, then definitely let me know in the comments and I won't be filming any more of them. So yeah, this is like a little test to see if you guys like these kinds of videos or not. But yeah, again, definitely let me know in the comments down below if there's anything specific you want me to film a video on, because I will definitely do that for you. As always, my shirt and my jewelry is from my own online store called Blaise Boutique, and what I'm wearing specifically is always linked down below in the description. So yeah, definitely check it out if you want to. I don't think I have anything else to say. I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.
Say that it feels right.